Have you ever thought about making money online without spending any money upfront? If yes, then you're in the perfect spot. Today, we'll explore some of the top ways to earn money online without any initial investment. But before we dive in, check out our description for the link to our free ebook. Now, let's discover these opportunities together. First up, let's talk about freelance writing. If you have a knack for words, this is a fantastic way to earn money online. Platforms like Upwork and Fiverr are great places to start. You can offer your services to write blog posts, articles, or even marketing copy for various clients. Additional platforms like Textbroker and iWriter also provide excellent opportunities to get paid for writing content on a variety of topics. Don't worry, I've linked all these sites in the video description for you to check out later. Next, we have online surveys. Participating in surveys is an easy way to make some extra cash. Websites like Swagbucks and Survey Junkie pay you for sharing your opinions on different products and services. Other sites like Inbox Dollars offer cash for surveys, watching videos, and more, while Pinecone Research pays you for every survey you complete and offers product testing opportunities. If you're organized and good at multitasking, becoming a virtual assistant might be the perfect gig for you. Platforms like Zirtual and Time Etc. connect you with clients who need help managing their schedules, emails, and other administrative tasks. Other companies like Belay offer opportunities for virtual assistants to support various clients, and Fancy Hands allows you to complete small tasks for clients remotely. Do you excel in a particular subject? Why not share your knowledge and get paid for it? Online tutoring platforms like VIP Kid and Chegg allow you to teach students from all over the world through video calls. You can also connect with students for one-on-one learning on Wyzen or offer tutoring in a wide range of subjects through tutor.com. If you have a keen eye for detail, proofreading and editing could be your calling. Websites like Proofreading Pal and Scribendi offer opportunities to proofread documents for clients. Other services like Grammarly provide professional proofreading and editing, while Polish Paper allows you to proofread academic papers, business documents, and more. Dropshipping is another excellent way to start an online business without holding any inventory. Platforms like Shopify make it easy to set up your online store. You sell products and suppliers handle the shipping directly to your customers. Oberlo integrates with Shopify to simplify the dropshipping process, and Spocket offers high-quality products from US and EU suppliers for your dropshipping store. Affiliate marketing involves promoting products and earning commissions for sales made through your referral links. Programs like Amazon Associates and Share a Sale are excellent places to start. You can also explore CJ Affiliate, which offers a wide range of products to promote, and Rakuten Marketing, which provides access to numerous brands and products for affiliate marketing. With print on demand, you can create custom designs for products like t-shirts, mugs, and more. Services like Printful and Teespring handle the printing and shipping once a sale is made. Other platforms like Redbubble allow you to sell your designs on various products, and Zazzle offers customization options for a wide range of items. Website testing is a straightforward way to make money online. Platforms like User Testing and TestBirds pay you to test websites for usability and provide feedback. You can also get paid for testing websites and apps through Try My UI, and Userlytics provides opportunities to give user feedback on websites. Creating and selling digital products like planners or artwork is a great way to earn passive income. Platforms like Etsy allow you to sell your printables without any upfront investment. Creative Market lets you sell digital products like fonts, graphics, and templates, and Gumroad is a platform for selling digital products directly to your audience. Completing small online tasks can be a quick way to make money. Platforms like Amazon Mechanical Turk and ClickWorker offer various tasks such as data categorization, image tagging, and surveys. You can also explore Microworkers, which provides numerous microtasks, and Rapid Workers, which offers small tasks that you can complete for quick cash. Managing social media accounts for small businesses is another excellent way to earn money online. You can find clients through platforms like LinkedIn or local business groups. Tools like Hootsuite provide options to manage multiple social media accounts, and Buffer can help you streamline your clients' accounts. If you're looking for a Pinterest scheduler, Tailwind is the best one out there. Conducting research for businesses or individuals can be a lucrative side hustle. Platforms like Ask Wonder connect you with clients who need detailed information on specific topics. Ask Wonder allows researchers to answer client questions with thorough reports, while Just Answer pays you to provide expert answers to users' questions. Decluttering your home and selling unwanted items can be both rewarding and profitable. Platforms like eBay, Facebook Marketplace, and Poshmark are great places to start. Mercari is another user-friendly platform for selling a variety of items, and Depop is popular for selling fashion items, especially vintage and unique pieces. Finally, if you have expertise in a particular area, creating online courses can be a fantastic way to generate passive income. Platforms like Udemy and Teachable make it easy to create and sell your courses. You can also share video-based courses on Skillshare or use Thinkific's tools to build and sell your online courses with ease. And there you have it. These are some of the best ways to make money online without any initial investment. Whether you're looking to supplement your income or start a new career, there's something here for everyone. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more tips and tricks on making money online. See you in the next video.